Yo, what is good? You got a little Shar in that motherfucker. Oh, y'all gave it a C. Got a little Shar. Sheesh, man. The Z. I don't know, man. She looking nice. She looking nice. But the Z feels so much different with some new front tires. I'm not even gonna lie. I didn't know how much of a difference it would have made. I thought it was just gonna be like a tiny difference. But the old tires were messed up, I'm not even gonna lie. It's a nice little drive, but it's like 30 minutes away, so it's like, golly, man. I want to try to do more POVs, but you know, the Z still has to be running. I still gotta do a lot. Exhaust leak gets fixed soon, no cap. You know, we got a wing coming. We got a wing coming. I forgot about that shit. Spent $2,000 on a wing. Holy. It's probably gonna look stupid, I'm not gonna lie. That's why I need to get black tires, man. I gotta get those black rims on her, man. Gas is like $70 to fill up too. Oh my God, dude. It's actually insane. Little side quest. Gotta fix that window. Man, Tyler, you better be sub, nigga. Bro, I think our last clip, we weren't even filming with audio, so I'm sorry. Might just put that at the end. All right, bro, I had to turn off the car, man. Some German lady just walked by, man. It's only the old German ladies that get really mad when you keep your car running. I just want to let it cool down a little bit. I let it sit while I was looking at that. Thing's clean. But yeah, my boys, we got to throw away the oil. I got some socks over there, don't mind that. But the Z is kind of clean. We had a rain, man. I haven't had a rain in a while. They took bangs out, which is a bummer, man. Bangs is my favorite. Now I got to drink rain. But yeah. If y'all want to have more talking videos, we can. I kind of want to, I don't know what I want to do to the Z yet. I really want to get a wide body kit, but I'm not too sure yet. We do got to fix some things, like some ugly things. Like, look at that shit. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's RTV right there, and there's RTV on the plastic panels on the fix. Get the dent out of the door. The door looks absolutely ugly. I got this dent kit. We're going to try that, and if that doesn't work, we're just going to take it to a professional. Because sometimes you got to remove the paint if the dent's really bad. So if somebody's going to do it, I want them to paint it, remove the paint, or remove the dent, paint it, stuff like that. Probably gonna be a couple, like a 500. So yeah, gonna be spending a lot of money in this car. I have a lot of goals for the car, so hopefully we can do it. I might get some black tires for it. I want to get the Nismos. So if somebody's selling the Nismos in Germany, I'm down to buy them. I'm not even gonna lie. I want to get them shipped, but I know that shit's gonna be expensive, bro. That's the one thing about Germany, bro. Everything's so expensive here. I'm gonna try to look for like a parts dealer. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you guys are new. We gotta go edit, bro. I got like 20 videos already since I've been here. I've been here for like 4 days, bro. We've done so much, bro. So I gotta get editing now. But we're gonna try to cruise with the homies more. So get some more POVs. Probably some POVs with the Mustang. I really like that Mustang. I'm not really a V8 guy, but honestly, like sometimes, man, seeing some clean builds, man, I don't mind it. The MR2, want to get in the MR2, get a little MR2 video. Firebird video, man. If you're watching this, Cole, bro, we got to do a Firebird video, bro. No cap. Subaru, come on. I really want to do a Subaru video. Probably going to have multiple. Maybe RX-8 too. You know, you got Dale with the Mini. Might do a Mini video. I don't know. We're still working on it. So probably going to have a video of like working on it and then maybe tracking it if he wants to. He's probably going to baby out. I'm not going to lie. But yeah. New radio coming soon. Think so. We got a radio coming, which is something small. It's not really a performance. It's just I got an old ass radio, and you know I'm black. Us black people, we like the radio. And honestly, maybe a new front bumper. I'm not even gonna lie, front bumper, and probably a lot of maintenance. So this month we might do a lot of maintenance, like all the fluids, diff, transmission, probably even clutch. I replaced the clutch, not the whole clutch, but the clutch liquid. Probably gonna replace it. You just gotta drag it out and put it back in. I have to bleed it though. I don't know, it doesn't feel too bad. Yeah, that's about it, man. Not gonna lie. Not too much to really do to the Z, maintenance wise. I think coil packs and spark plugs, we did that, damn, a year ago, maybe a year and a half now. Damn, maybe it's time for some new spark plugs too. And yeah. That's on God, nigga.